In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock QuickBooks year-end. If you manage your business finances with QuickBooks Online, ensuring your year-end data is secure and protected from any accidental changes is essential. This quick guide will walk you through the steps to successfully lock your QuickBooks year-end, providing peace of mind that your financials are safely archived. Let's get started by navigating to QuickBooks Online. First, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks website. Once there, you'll find the Sign In option located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Take a moment to type in your credentials and double check to ensure they're correct. Once you're ready, click on Sign In. Having successfully logged in, you'll want to head over to the Settings menu. This is your control center for all QuickBooks customizations. You'll typically find the settings icon resembling a gear in the upper right section of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive overview where you can adjust various account preferences. Next, look for the Advanced tab along the left side of the screen and click on it. This area includes settings not just important but crucial to the security of your financial data. As you scroll through this section, locate the option labeled Close the Books. Clicking this will bring you to the settings required to lock your year-end data, a feature designed to protect against unintended modifications. To activate this feature, you'll need to toggle the Close the Books option to the On position. Once you've turned it on, a field will appear where you can enter a closing date. Choose a date that signifies the end of your fiscal year. This step is vital as it prevents backdating transactions beyond this specified date, thereby maintaining the accuracy of your year-end records. Further security can be added by selecting the option Allow Changes after viewing a warning and entering a password from the drop-down menu. This adds a protective layer requiring any user who attempts to modify the closed books to first enter a password. Now simply create a secure password, something memorable yet strong, and enter it in the Add a Password field. Confirm your password for accuracy. Finally, with all settings configured, click on Save to lock in these changes. This final step activates the lock, ensuring that your year-end financial information remains intact and unaltered unless authorized by someone with the password. Now you've successfully locked your QuickBooks year-end. By following these steps, you've taken an important measure in safeguarding your financial data, allowing you to focus on other crucial aspects of your business with confidence.